Hello, Sakafete. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some oatmeal cookies. If you want to see how I make this recipe, guys, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get baking. These are all the ingredients that I will be using in this recipe. First thing I'm going to do is get the oats into a pan and toast it. So I'm just going to put it in now. All I'm going to do is just keep turning them. I just need that little toasty flavor. So what I'm going to do is get this off the stove and put it back into the bowl. You don't want to leave it in that same pot because it's going to keep cooking. Turn that off. And you can see I'm just going to pour it back into the bowl and let it cool. Next step is to get our sugar and our butter cream. And before I do that, I'm just going to mix the dry ingredients. So I have some salt here, some baking soda, and you just want to get that all in there. Next thing we have is our cinnamon and ginger. So we're just going to put that all in there. And that I'm going to give it a mix. Let's cream the sugar and the butter. And I'm using brown sugar. Now with the brown sugar, it's not going to be as sweet as if I was using the regular white sugar. But I don't want it sweet, so that's the reason for my brown sugar. And I will be adding molasses to it, so I will also get the sweetness from the molasses. I also wanted to tell you guys about our new channel, Sakafete Nature and Travel. We love nature and we love to travel. So we combine the two together. That's what it's all about. Check it out, guys. And if you like what you see, subscribe. You can find the link to the channel in the description box. This is ready. The sugar and the butter is nice and creamy. I'm going to put the egg in that. And also we're going to that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to pour that in now. So that's our molasses. That's going to give it that nice caramel flavor. And now I'm going to just mix it all together. So now I'm just going to mix the oats. It's nice and cool. I'm going to mix it with the flour mixture. And that's going to go in to this mixture now. So I'm going to put it a little bit at a time. And the rest of it goes into that. I'm switching to my wooden spoon now because it's getting tight. And you need a lot of strength to actually mix that. So, and you see that dough is nice and thick. Now I'm just going to add my little cranberries here, and that's going to give me some sweet and a little bit of tart. Just put that in, and then I'm going to alternate with some raisins. Put some raisins now. If you guys try this recipe, you know, you can always make them and freeze them, which is what I'm going to do. And when I need one with a cup of tea, I'll just go and take it out, let it sit out for a bit, and then I have fresh cookies. Need some energy here. It's a good workout. Our cookies, and then if you want nuts, you can add nuts to it. You can add coconut to it and put a little nutmeg. So just change it up, you know. You don't always have to use cranberries. You can just use raisins and nuts or just plain raisin. So just whatever you like. Now I'm going to turn the oven on at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. They are going to bake for 10-12 minutes. Guys, I'm just going to break one open. Look at this cookie. Oh, it's so, oh, look at that. It's just so nice. And look at that. Let's taste it. Mm-hmm. Nice and chewy. That molasses just gives it that nice caramel taste. And then the oats, the roasted, toasted flavor. Guys, you should try this recipe. It's very simple, easy to make, but it's so good. Delicious. And here you have it, guys, our delicious oatmeal cookies. Thank you for watching. Until next time, guys, have yourselves a great day and God bless.